Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Domino7 here. Okay. Can't believe this video is with no title. Okay. Instagram live video with no title. Interesting enough, huh? Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna get my hair cut. Okay. So depends on the weather if the lady will come cut my hair and stuff. Okay. All right. So there's a lot, a few, a this, a that, or whatever to talk about. Okay. Yeah. So, I mean, thinking about yesterday, how something meant so much to me. This girl, Dominique, uh, she, she was at the second line though. Yes, indeed. I love that girl. You know, yes, indeed. I do. Hmm. Yeah. So, I mean, I wanna get this straight, y'all. Okay. She might come on my show and tell y'all that I was mean to her. She may say that. I don't know when she gonna be on my show or not. I don't know when. Okay. So we gonna see what's gonna happen though. Okay. All right. So what I want to say is this, y'all. What I want to say is this. Okay. I mean, she said I was mean to her. Well, in junior high school, she said I was mean to her. Okay. So, well, yeah, I was. Yes, I was, honestly. Okay. Yes, I was. And I regret being mean to her at that. But in the very beginning, she started it in the very beginning. I'm talking about the very, 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 very beginning. Okay. Okay. So this was in November or December. Okay. When I when I was it was after school and stuff like that. And she was picking with me. Well, Dominique, if you're watching this, you know, uh, uh, I don't know if you liked me that time or what. I don't know, cause you used to mess with me the first three times. I kept saying I don't know you and stuff. Yeah, I said I didn't know her. Yeah, at first I didn't know her. I was like, well, why'd you messing with me? You know? And as the days went on, as the days went on, uh, I started picking with her. Oh my gosh. I called her some crazy names and stuff like that. Okay. Well, what I used to call her, it ain't necessary. I ain't bringing that up. Not on my TV show right now. Okay. So, all right, y'all. Yeah, good times. Good times, I guess. Okay. So, I must say, that was like 1998-99 school year. Okay. All right. So the third time she messed with me, and check this out. Uh, uh, I I wasn't telling her nothing, but I told her leave me alone, go away or whatever. Something I said, and then she went and told this teacher, Mr. Mims. Well, I'm not gonna say his full name, but I would say Bengal Mims. Well, I don't know why I called him that. I know why I called Mr. Mims Bengal because he looked like my cousin Bengal. If Bengal was still alive, he would have appeared on my show. Yes, he would have. But unfortunately, he he's gone. He got killed a long time ago unnecessarily. But when you top it off a notch, people always get killed unnecessarily, even even though they have nothing to do with what the heck was going on. So Dominique, you know, she told Mr. Mims that I cursed her out. She was the one that was cursing me out. And I said I ain't curse out, and then Mr. Mims said, "Are you lying to me?" I said, no, I'm not lying. I know how Mr. Mims is with lying. He said he don't like nobody lying to him. But let me tell y'all something. Mr. Mims lied one time, talking about he wasn't going to be at McDonald's 28 that following year. And he wound up coming back. He said he was moving on. But guess what? He didn't move on, you know? Okay? So after that, that's when I started picking with her. Then I was kind of mean to her, to be honest with y'all. Because she gonna come on my show and say that I was mean to her, you know? That's what she would say. Which I kind of was, you know. I'm sorry, Dominique, baby. I love you here. I know, I know you're gonna watch this, and your friend gonna show you this video, okay? Eventually, her friend Yana gonna show you she'll show you this video. I already know that. I don't know if she's showing you right now, a couple of weeks from now, a year from now, or 2 years from now, or something like that. Well, we'll figure it out, okay? So, I mean, it was like Dominique was crazy about me. I called her name. She told my mom on me, you know? Yep, she told my mom on me and stuff like that, you know? And then all of a sudden, I got punished. My mama took my video games away from me. I couldn't even listen to the radio either. All I had to do was homework, you know? My mama didn't play. Dominique knew how strict my mama was. Even Yana knew how strict my mama was, you know? But I'm so glad Yana met my mama. But she wasn't aware of what happened to my mama until I told her. You know, I don't know when I got in contact with her, you know. And speaking of Yana, though, I met her at McDonald's 28 as well. Mm-hmm. To be honest with y'all, I knew Dion. How about to say Diani? Yeah, I'll get to Diani in a minute. Yana, you probably say, oh, Domino mentioned Diani. I'll get to Diani in a minute, okay? So, as I was saying, y'all, Yana, I met her in 1998, okay? I think December 98 or November 98 or something like that. She said I was on LD. I was trying to escape and stuff like that. Tanika was right there. I can't believe Yana don't remember Tanika. Tanika don't remember Yana. You know? One of these days, just one of these days, I gotta show Tanika who Yana is, or show Yana who Tanika is, you know? One day, you know? So I need to show her who show those women who they are, you know? It ain't about whatever. It's about being cool, you know? It's like we family when we was in school together, you know? Okay, as I was saying, y'all, I was at McDonald's 28. She was holding me hostage. I think December of 99. That part, that time, you know. I knew Dominique and Yana knew each other. I knew that all along. How I knew? Because we went to the same school. But I didn't know they was good friends, y'all. I really didn't know, to be honest with y'all. Okay? So yeah, y'all. I really didn't know, to be honest with y'all. But now I know. Okay? Because I saw them in the pic together, you know. Yeah, they're good friends. God is good all the time, you know. So let's start from scratch. I used to run from Yana all the time, y'all. Yes, I did, to be honest with y'all, you know. Okay. I used to run from her every time I used to see her, you know. So she graduated from McDonald's 20 in 1999, okay. And then she came around 28. I don't know. I doubt if she was looking for me. She said, hey, boy. I'm like, uh-oh. I said, uh-oh. That's what I said, uh-oh. Yep. I'm outside, y'all. It's drizzling. It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is boring. He went ahead and bumped his head and whatever. All right. I clown too much, y'all. It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is boring. The little boy went to bed and bumped his head and got a lump on his forehead. All right. All right, y'all. So I bet Dominique is laughing at what I'm saying. I'm not talking about you, Dominique Henry, in case you watching this, okay? Because I don't know. I really don't know who watching this. I don't know who watched Domino 7. I really don't know, honestly, y'all. I really don't. Okay. Uh Tanika Ware, she was sweet. Bittersweet, I should say. That girl you used to pick with me too. Well, as a matter of fact, we used to be mean to each other and stuff like that. Tanika, wherever you watching this, you remember this? Don't you never ever do that to me again. You remember that? I got that from Rody. Okay, anybody that went to 28 with me, y'all remember this? Don't you never ever do that to me again. All right, I got that from Rody. Rody said, you stole that from me. So Rody have a new one. Out you go. Oh yeah, and I went to John Mack. You know, I forgot she was going to John Mack. You know, so went to John Mack. I saw after school. I said, hey, girl, you remember me? And she smiled and said, yeah, I remember you. Yeah, I thought she still liked me. I was trying to shoot my shot. You know, but well, I don't mean you know what I mean by that. Try to holler at her. One time after school, oh my God, I spoke with her and stuff like that. My friend Randy was on the bus with me, and, and 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 then I had a conversation with her, talk with her. I said, "You still like me?" Randy laughed at me, y'all. Well, Yana laughed too. Okay, so Dominique came in the picture. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I'm missing something. We was in art class together, me and Yana. She was kind of mean to me too, you know. Well, wait a minute. Yana, I got over it. I'm sorry if you watching this, which I know you are, because I told you to watch this. I'm sorry for being mean to you in 2009 and 2010 and 11 and stuff like that, bringing up the past and stuff. I should have left that shit in the past, you know. I don't know why I kept bringing up the past, you know. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed, you know. I mean, yeah. All right, so Jeopardy get ready to come on in a few, you know. So I don't know when I'm gonna upload this to YouTube, but it's coming to YouTube, okay? If it's on YouTube already, then you already see it, okay? Woo! I hope I don't get disconnected. We're gonna go downstairs right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now. Yep, Jeopardy get ready to come on, you know. Okay. Mm-hmm. So so getting ready to. Oh, you finish eating? Yeah, that's my twin brother for America to see. And Yana, you forgot I have a twin brother. Dominique, you know I have a twin brother. Dominique. All right. Okay, so you're so you're almost done with his soda and stuff like that, you know. Well, a cold drink in New Orleans accent we call it cold drink, you know. So it's almost like when when I made a video cursing and stuff, like Flesh and Bone was on a video cussing and carrying on, you know. And you know, to be honest with y'all, throughout my time, like in '99 and stuff like that, I didn't know that Flesh and Bone was locked up. You know, I know he was somewhat part of Bone, you know, from beginning to end, you know, but somehow they said Flesh and Bone was locked up. I had